Okay, I wanted to quickly show you before I show you how to calculate MAD and MSE from your predicted model. When you do actual versus predicted, you should see lines of agreement that look like very close to y equals x. This is a model that I developed to predict energy intake, how many calories you're consuming per day. And so you see actual versus predicted, the line looks very close to the line of identity. This one is 4 to 12 weeks out, and this one is 12 to 24, and you see the line that I come up with is pulling away. It's like underestimating y equals x over here, and it's overestimating here. So the line itself is close, it's supposed to be close to y equals x. If it's not, your model's not that good. But I already told you the model that I have is not that good. So now I'm going to show you, now that I have actual and predicted run times next to each other, how do you calculate MAD and MSE? Well, first, to get the absolute difference, it's not the mean, and the absolute difference squared. Super easy here. By hand, it's awful, and I've been making you do by hand. The equal sign comes first, absolute, and then you put a parenthesis and put F2 minus G2. That's the difference. This is the absolute value of the difference. Hit enter. Make sure your thing is a small cross down here. Double click, it fills down. So there's the mean, or there's the absolute difference, not the mean. Over here, to get the absolute difference squared, well, that's just H2 squared. Whatever that absolute difference is, square it. Now I want it to do it for everything. Go down and do it. How do you calculate the mean absolute difference and the mean MSE, the mean square error? You go down to the very bottom. This column here was the absolute mean, it was the absolute difference. Hit average. H2 to H8075, because I'm on H076. H075 is where my data ends. It's H2 colon H, the last element, and then hit closed parentheses. Average is what you type in front with the equal sign next to it. That gives you the average, and it automatically did it for the next one. So here is this one here is MAD. That's MAD. I'm going to color it the same color so you can see that's MAD. And this stuff here is MSE. And I'm going to color that green so you can see it. So that's how you find your MAD and MSE from your predicted and actual sitting next to each other. And notice that I did all my alignments, like I put the predicted and actual next to each other on purpose because I knew that I was going to do calculations from it. So that's how you do MAD and MSE after you get your predicted values in there.